Machines don't build the future. The people behind them do.
If you're someone who loves innovation, problem solving, and creating things that actually make an impact,
then mechanical engineering could be your perfect path.
welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering at GLA University, where learning goes beyond textbooks.
Here students gain hands-on experience through advanced labs, industry-focused learning, real-time projects, and practical exposure that prepares them for the real world.
At GLA University, you can choose from B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering in minor with CS, and specializations like Mechatronics and Automobile. The department also offers M.Tech in Design and Production along with Ph.D. opportunities for future innovators.
With strong industry connections, placement support, modern infrastructure, and a vibrant campus environment, GLA helps students grow both professionally and personally.
So if you want a career that moves industries, shapes the future, then start your journey with the Department of Mechanical Engineering at GLA University.